Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this new arrival 2026 Boston Whaler 280 Vantage dual console in the Abaco blue gel coat. Absolutely gorgeous. This one is loaded up with all the right options. 2 and 300 V8s with joystick piloting, of course. Underwater lights. Yes, that is a standard dive door on this boat. This one has the electric sure shade I see off the top, as well as the water sports attachment for doing wakeboarding and tubing. Such a cool boat. It's a huge 28. Gorgeous interior on the Vantages, different from all the other models. Just a real conducive layout for fishing, diving, cruising, entertaining. This folds away, this bench seat, when you're not using it. Look at how big the dive door is. Standard live well in the transom here. You have an optional table that comes out here when you want to use it. This one has the barbecue grill, as well as a refrigerator. Versatile is probably the best way to describe it. Actually have a matching gel coat under the hardtop as well. 12-inch Simrad GPS. Again, joystick piloting, DTS controls. Simrad VHF. Nice glove box. And look at the gorgeous head. Vacuum flush toilet, sink, storage. Really beautiful bow with the optional filler cushion that comes in here. Look at the windshield frame on this. Absolutely huge. Such a great model for South Florida. Actually for anywhere. You do have bilge access in here as well to get to your pumps and batteries. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage, new arrival. Give us a nice tour of our full service marina here. Give us a call, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.